Apple has added the cinematic mode in their iPhone 14 models, which is one of their most successful and significant features for the past few years. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, in which you will find videos about Apple new and vintage products, cameras and lenses. This clip, which you will soon watch, was recorded in the cinematic mode, in the city which has recently been proclaimed as the most expensive city in the world, even more than Singapore, Paris, and New York City. Guess what city we are referring to? Tel Aviv. The clip was edited with no filters. Some important points about this feature. It only exists in the iPhone 14 models. The cinematic mode is only HD, 1080p 30 frames per second, and before you start recording, first adjust the depth and exposure to get the best results in your footage. You also have the flash button, and if you need, you can zoom in 3x. In this clip I am using the DJI Osmo 5 to get smoother movement. My name is Tzachi, and thanks for watching this video. And now let's dive into the clip. So, what do you say? Did you like Tel Aviv? Did you like the cinematic mode? Tell me in the comments below what is your preferred mode, and do you think you will start using the cinematic mode? In my previous iPhone 13 Pro Max review, I discussed this specific issue, in which the camera has become one of the main issues for us users, if not the biggest one, before we choose our next iPhone. Very soon I will upload an in-depth comparison between all the mode options in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to receive all updates about my future video. You are really helping me grow on YouTube. That's all for today. If you have any questions regarding this video, you are welcome to write them in the comments below. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.